Alright,
Yeah.
I've got a question that most people ask, especially with the teenagers. They usually ask like, what if only a few people are gonna make it to heaven,
Hmm.
then why would God wanna punish all these people? Like, why did He create us to punish us if the majority is going to
Yeah.
hell?
Do you understand the question? Is that God created this world and few are going to Jannah and the majority are going to hellfire? Why He's doing it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that question on His action? On
No.
God action?
No, it's on the people's actions.
Again, think. His question is, okay, why did God did this? That He knows that majority are going to hellfire and few people are going to God. We are asking a question on His action. Why He's doing it? Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
You follow what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So we are asking a question on God action. Why He does this? Why He created crippled? Why so much of people are dying of hunger? There are many questions on God action. So in the Quran there is a verse in Surah 21. In Arabic say like small verse, La yus'alu amma yaf'alu wa hum yus'alun. Again, La yus'alu amma yaf'alu wa hum yus'alun. He cannot be questioned. God cannot be questioned for His actions. But you will be questioned. Now his question was, why did God did this? It's an action on God. Why He did it? So he says, you cannot question God's action, His action, but you will be questioned. This is a small verse. So people say, what, this is not an answer. I say, let's take it this way. Suppose I make any one of us the president of the world. Can he run the country?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said.
If I make you the president of the world, president of the world.
Countries, yeah.
No, I'm just trying to say, just go on a president level, human president level. You'll be dependent on so many people to run the world.
Yeah.
Right? So how can we ask God's action when we can't know? We are so dependent on mankind. Even if I'm the president of the world and I cannot run the country, being on a higher post. So we can. There is a limitation to creation being. Creation. We are created being, and there is a creator. We cannot go and sit on a creator seat and ask, say, why I made this world like this, and I made the devil, and I made this, and whatever God did it. So we cannot ask question on His action, but we can ask question on the subject matter. Subject matter, you understand? I will show you. Look.
So it's our action, yeah.
Not God's action, our action. Look.
That's to those.
So you write down, na?
Yeah,
Now I'll show you one more verse which says when to ask and what to ask question. There's one in Surah Maida 5. If you don't understand, you ask, well, repeat again. You understand what? We cannot ask the question on action of God because we are limited in mind. He's so big and He's created the whole universe and He's commanding everything by Himself, not dependent on anything. So now what happened? Surah Maida 101, right?
Yeah.
It says, O you who believe, ask not questions about things when it is made clear to you will cause you trouble. But if you ask about things when the Quran is being revealed, they will be made plain to you. Now there is this ayat is saying that there is when to ask question. You can ask questions about things, not action on God. Okay? You can ask question when made plain to you may cause you trouble. I don't know how much people here have read the book. If they have not read the book, so if I answer from this, it will cause you trouble. Because you are not reading the book. So maybe in that condition, God is saying if you ask questions when the Quran is being revealed to you, when I am quoting the ayahs, Quran is being revealed. We are talking, this is Quranic ayahs. So whenever the Quran is being brought into discussion, the ayat is there. So that clarifies the minds of people. But if you talk yourself, talk, there will be argument. Even on the Quran they argue, the people in the world. So Allah says, ask questions when the Quran is being revealed to you. Do not ask questions when Quran is not revealed to you. So it says, before, some people before you did ask question and they went astray. Because they asked question without reading the book, without not Quran being revealed. So they were astray. So Allah has forgiven you. This is mentioned here, Allah forgives you. Like today we are having this, like it says, Allah will forgive you for those who ask question without the revelation of the Quran. If people have not read the book and asking question, at this moment Allah will forgive you. But later on, you should know when to ask question. Is you read a topic or ayat, and then when you conceive or perceive, then you ask, what about that? What about this? What about that? Then it will be made easy to you. So questions should be asked on subjects, but not on God action. Because He is so creator, so He has done so many things. We say, why so many stars are made? Why seven? So we can ask many questions.
But He only knows why.
Yeah. So we cannot ask questions on His actions, but we can ask questions when the Quran is being revealed on the things that will clarify for us. But if you do without the Quran revelation ask questions, still Allah forgives. Because for understanding you are asking question, right?
देखिए मायदा 5 ही सूरत है. मैं एक ऐसी बता रहा हूँ आपको समझाने के नुज़ूल कंटिन्यूस कैसे है. मायदा 5 की 101 आयत है. देखिए या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू ला तसलू अन अशिया इन तुब्दलकुम तसूकुम. ए ईमान वालो, तुम सवाल ना करो उन अशिया के बारे में अगर तुम्हें बताए मतलब बुरा लगेगा तुम्हें. व इन तसलू, अगर तुम सवाल करो अनहा उनके बारे में, हिना युनज़्ज़लुल कुरान, जब कुरान नाजिल हो रहा होता है. तो इसके माने कुरान नाजिल होता है आज भी और होता रहता है क़यामत तक. जब सवाल हो, जब कुरान नुज़ूल हो रहा हो, कुरान युनज़्ज़लुल कुरान, और युनज़्ज़लुल का मतलब ज़ाल पे तजदीद का मतलब कंटिन्यूस, बार बार थोड़ा थोड़ा होता रहेगा. युनज़्ज़लुल कुरान तुब्दलकुम, तुम्हें बता दिए खोल दिया जाएगा. अफ़ल्लाहु अन्हा, अल्लाह ने माफ़ कर दिया तुमने कुरान के नुज़ूल के अलावा जो सवालात किए. नुज़ूल के वक्त सवाल करो तो अल्लाह कहे, तो वरना मना कर रहा है ऐसे सवाल मत करो कि नुज़ूल कुरान के अलावा आप सवाल करेंगे. यानी लोग ऐसे कुरान पढ़ते ही सवालात कर लेते. जो पढ़ा लिखा पढ़ेगा, आयत को जानता है, वो सब कह रहा है अल्लाह, जब सवाल करो तो ऐसा. वल्लाहु गफूर, अल्लाह गफूर है और हलीम है. फिर कहता है क़द साला कौमुन मिन क़ब्लिकुम, लोगों ने सवालात किए इस तरह पहले, यानी नुज़ूल कुरान के अलावा सवालात किए. सुम्मा अस्बहू बिहा काफिरीन, तो वो उन्होंने सवाल किए बगैर नुज़ूल कुरान पे, तो उसके सबब वो काफिर हो गए. तो अल्लाह ने ये भी हमें समझाया कि कुरान का जब नुज़ूल हो रहा हो तब सवाल करो.